This is Rich at Three Shovels Farm. A lot of people ask us how we prepare our Louisiana iris for shipping, so today we thought we'd take a little time to show you that process. In the fall, for us that's probably September into October, we go out and dig clumps of Louisiana iris. We wash them, clean them up, remove the soil from the roots, clean up any old foliage, give them a trim, divide the rhizomes, and pack the biggest, healthiest ones for you. We wrap them in moist paper towels, put them in a bag, and label them, getting ready to ship to you. The ones that aren't quite as healthy go back in the field and they grow with us, stay with us for another year. Note that the Louisiana iris bare root rhizomes only ship in the fall. It's the best time to dig them and it's the best time to plant them in your garden to get a good healthy start. But we do ship potted plants throughout the growing season. Check out threeshovelsfarm.com for our latest availability and place your order today.